Unlock the power of instant, data-driven communication by seamlessly connecting your Google Sheets to Twilio for automated SMS alerts. First, let's prepare our Google Sheet. Ensure you have clear columns for the information you want to send, such as recipient names, phone numbers, and the actual messages they'll receive. This structured data is the foundation of our automation. Next, we'll set up a project in Google Cloud. This platform acts as the bridge between your Google Sheet and Twilio. Create a new project and give it a descriptive name. Within your Google Cloud project, we need to enable the Google Sheets API. This grants your project permission to access and read data from your spreadsheets. Now, let's create a service account. This is a special identity for your application, allowing it to interact with Google services on your behalf. Give your service account a memorable name. Once the service account is created, you'll need to download its JSON key file. This file contains the authentication credentials, so keep it secure. In parallel, head over to your Twilio console. You'll need to locate your account SID and auth token. These are your unique Twilio credentials, essential for sending messages. Now, we open the script editor within your Google Sheet. This is where we'll write the instructions for our automation. If you don't see it, go to Extensions and then App Script. Here, you'll safely store your downloaded JSON key and your Twilio account SID and auth token. It's vital to manage these credentials securely, often through environment variables or other secure storage methods. For production environments, the script will then be programmed to read each row of your Google Sheet, extract the necessary information like the phone number and message, and then use your Twilio credentials to send an SMS to that number. With the script saved and the API enabled, any new data added to your Google Sheet can now automatically trigger personalized SMS messages, streamlining your communication and keeping everyone informed.